Good morning, everyone. And for today's skincare product, I brought back the it's a big name, so let me read it. Advanced Senaplex Renewal Serum with Retinol, so nothing but retinol from Senegens. I think I covered it when they introduced it. I think that is when I started. So I just did the introduction video kind, and then I did once when in my routine. I think I did it because retinol is always on your evening routine because it's when you use retinol, you need to use a sunscreen. Otherwise, your skin will be very sensitive in the morning. So you don't use it a part of your morning skincare routine at all. So it's always one time a day, even that is only at night time. So that's one thing first to consider. So it was I did it once as part of my nighttime skincare routine too. So who can use retinol? So retinol is basically an acne treatment because retinol is nothing but direct vitamin A, derivative of vitamin A. That is the main thing. So it is for people who has like cystic acne and other things. For example, if you go to the dermatologist, retinol will be prescribed if you have cystic acne. I think 90% of the people here might have already seen my picture with acne. I had it in 2017, and I went to the dermatologist, and after that only in October I started my Senegens journey, and I'm always blessed to came to know about it. That's how I put it out because when everybody saw my face, like I mean my family, they always used to be worried about because they have never seen me like that. That's the reason, that's other reason why I didn't know about acne that time. So I let it spread and I didn't attend it. So retinol will be perfect for people who has acne, cystic acne or anything, who has mostly get around this area. Here it's more we have so many types, like we can be hormonal, it can be from stress. Mine is always a stress acne. If I stress, I will break out. So you can have hereditary one, you can have environment always plays a role, and your food and everything. So this will not only work for acne, but it has other benefits too. So it can improve the sunspots, wrinkles, it firmness, and so many other things. That's why if you search in the market, retinol is one of the powerful agent that you can use it for your face. But as I mentioned, if you have used the dermatology prescribed one, those people will know anytime when you use retinol, you need a moisture. Again, I mean, because it's something that dries out your skin. So when you use it, you need to ease it into your skin. It is not like any other product where you get and start using from the next day, like I mean, every single day. So here you will start with once a week. That is the first thing you will do. For example, if you are starting on a Monday night, you will just use on one day and you will forget about the whole week. Again, you will start if you are someone who is sensitive, then go with 2 or 3 weeks, even with just once a week. The prescription says 2 pumps. For me, since I don't have much breakouts these days, I use only 1 pump. But if you are someone, if you think you have more breakouts or fine lines and wrinkles, maybe you can do 2 pumps once you start adjusting to that. And the second week you will do Monday and again maybe Wednesday or Thursday, and then forget it about it. So you will slowly ease into twice a week and then thrice a week and so on. That's how your skin can adjust to retinol. The main thing that sets Senegens one from other thing is Senegens has what to say, like formulated it in a nano retinol. That means it's encapsulated and released throughout the night. It's not like bumped into at one time. That's why the other ones are harsh. In this, what they did is they slowly released throughout the night. That way you get the benefits out of it, but at the same time it's not as harsh as the other ones in the market. So for even if you think you are sensitive, then you can mix it with the nighttime moisturizer and then apply all over the face. That way you are reducing the harshness. So that is another way. Anyway, you are going to use the night cream. So either it will be the first one that goes after you cleanse your face, because this again it's a treatment, and it's broken down into smaller particles, that's why it can penetrate well, and also it's going to go and kill all the bacteria of that acne. That is how it's going to stop it from spreading. So this will be the first one you will put on your face once you cleanse at night. So as I mentioned, here you also have the sodium hyalurate. So the main thing that sets apart Senegen's retinol from others is, if you think the other ones, the retinol is all released at once, so it is like a high quantity. You can either feel tingling, you feel redness, you can feel what is it, like dryness, everything at one go, because you have such a powerful agent that is being applied on the skin all at once. Whereas here it not only releases in time capsule, but also it has hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is there in our climate control. I think we always talk about it, how we call it as a miracle in a bottle, because hyaluronic acid is something naturally body can naturally produce for its moisture, and it's one of the purest form other than drinking water. Like, I mean, that is how much it is for the body. And the cool thing about it is very small in molecular size, but it can hold moisture up to 1,000 times of its weight. So think about it. So that's why hyaluronic acid can be very beneficial to your skin when it comes to anti-aging. So when you search about these products, search about hyaluronic acid and retinol, and you will read more things about it on how they are good for your skin. So that is the main thing here, that it already has the moisture agent in it, so it's not going to be as drying like the ones in the market or even the dermatologist one. Also the other thing to understand is vitamin A is an exfoliant. See how we remove dead cells, the same way this is going to do it again to your skin. So the skin peeling or dryness is quite common with that. So you need to understand it's part of the repairing system that it's doing and it's working. So when you understand the purpose of each thing in the product, then you will be able to utilize it more and you will be able to enjoy it more. And here I have the what is it, like the clinical results from the third party, which I wanted to study for sure. So it says, during a 6-week independent consumer study, a majority of the women agreed their skin overall appearance has improved and their face appeared more youthful. Here's what else they said. 82% improves skin clarity, leaving a healthy and even tone. 76% reduces the appearance of crow's feet around the eyes, so that's the wrinkles where it starts to showing up here, that's reduced. 85% improves skin's overall appearance. I think who have been watching my post or videos, you can even go back and see yourself my old video or picture, anything from last year to this year. You can see how much my skin has improved. And also 73% minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and 88% face appears more youthful. 85% helps skin feels firmer. What else you need? Like, I mean, you pretty much have what and all you need in this. And as I mentioned, you will start using it like a tiny amount and ease your skin to make it understand. Skin is again your organ. I always talk about it like how you do like a exercise or something where you give the body to adjust to it and work better. So the same way you need to give your skin to understand when you introduce a new skincare, like, because the skin can freak out too, because it never introduced such a powerful ingredient, or it never had an active ingredient, to be fair. Like I think I always mention it for people who have started with Seneserum C or even brightening, because brightening will have a tingling effect, because when you have the ingredient active in that form, it's going to tingle. It is like rubbing a lemon on your face. Obviously it's going to tingle because you have just cut it up open and it's active. The same way, when Seneserum C and all get pumped, it gets activated only at that time. That's why even though you have used products from the market that said vitamin C in them, you never had that benefit because they are not active most of the time. I think I have mentioned it, there are only 2 companies in the whole world who has activated vitamin C in them. So Senegens is one of that. So the same way, this is such a wonderful product. If you think you have acne, as I mentioned, I will break out every few days in a month too, because I cannot, what to say, like, I'm still a human being. I still have my stress. I binge eat all the fast foods and oily foods, all those stuff. So I enjoy that, but at the same time, I try to take care of my skin better. That way, I don't have that much marks like how I did. Because if you have seen my old pictures, you will see it's just like I had my entire face covered with my acne marks. Now, even though I get it, I'm incorporating all the exfoliants, the gold mask, everything, so that way the marks are not going deeper. Instead, they are treated right away. You can work your way up to 7 days. As I mentioned, you will start with once a week, then twice a week, then thrice a week, and then every other night, and then you can move with every day if you feel like. As I mentioned, you will have improvement from your skin firmness, your sunspots, your wrinkles, your acne. So pretty much it takes care of most of the things, the problem areas, I would say. So if you're someone who has acne and have frequent breakouts and other things, grab this, because those are the people, they will see huge improvements in their skin, because you can see how it's going to stop it. At the same time, it's going to improve in other areas. And here Senegens has clearly given 2 flaps where they have given all the ingredients, like from each one explaining, and also you have the instruction on how to use it. I always make these videos because I like to have like what is like demonstrate how to use it and also. But you have everything already listed here. It's already encapsulated in a blue bottle, that way it's sun protected, like, I mean, it doesn't react to the sun. And as I mentioned, I still use 1 pump. The prescription one here is 2 pumps, it says. But as you can see, I don't have much wrinkles or anything, so I still go with one pump every other day. That's the regimen I follow. Some weeks I do even twice a night, because if I don't have much breakouts and I'm good, then I can even go with 2 nights. But this is a product that really works and shows improvement, because the ingredients are like highly effective. That's how I would put it. So try the product if you are someone who's having acne, and see you the results by yourself. Have a wonderful day.